Well, it's been a while since we've had a storm, and looks like we might get one. Let's have a look for a while. Well, there wasn't too much of a storm, a little bit of lightning. Anyway, it's October, so it's going to start being the storm season here in Australia. Guess we'll wait and see what happens in the next few months. I do love a storm. Anyway, back to my coffee. Well, it's just over 2 hours later, and we just had a big bang right in the middle of starting to watch a movie. And straight away I knew that's a power transformer blew from down the road, so there'd be no electricity tonight. Whether it's related to the storm before, I don't know, but just preparing to make a coffee without electricity. Hence why it's handy to have one of these. Excellent. Not too much gets in the way of me and coffee. Okay. Well, this is mostly for you, Craig. I'm in the Nissan, the 350Z. Just going to run down the road, then have to come back and head off to a bit more filming of Magdala Rose, which is almost at the end, but not quite. This bit will be in the studio. I'm very happy to say that the power disruption last night was fixed within an hour, so just an hour or even less, which was brilliant. I certainly didn't expect that, so kudos to the guys at Energex, or SEQEB as they used to be called, because that's brilliant. I'm pretty sure it was definitely a transformer because of the loud bang. But anyway, that's great work. Okay, so yeah, we've had a lot of rain and storms predicted, and it looks like there'll be another one today as well, which I love, of course. Anyone that knows me knows that I've done a lot of time-lapse footage, especially with storms. But anyway, we'll see how we go. Actually, I had a drama with in the Ford, which I might take today, I think. The other weekend I was on the way to a callback audition and went around a roundabout. It had been raining a little bit, but I thought it was probably long enough not to be an issue, and went around this roundabout and literally went round and round and round the roundabout, spun in my own length 4 times. But the problem is that I wanted to go and see the band at Laidley that I see every month when they're playing, so I very gingerly drove home, swapped cars because I didn't trust these tyres. I had zero faith in them. Anyway, we made it up there okay. Next day I was trying to buy some better back tyres, and then I thought about it more, and I rang the guys that recently sold me the other tyres, and they agreed it was probably just oil on the road. But anyway, I was really paranoid. And the funny thing is, apparently a week later, which was just the other day, there was a big accident there at the same roundabout, so that to me says there was oil that hadn't been washed away, but it was pretty interesting. Yeah, lucky I didn't smash into anything. I probably did a little bit of good driving, but yeah, it was quite amazing. Anyway, we survived. Well, pretty overcast here. There's my shoes, trying to dry. I washed them yesterday, but one was missing this morning. I think a possum came along and tried to f*** it. Who knows? It was missing. Well, that's all I can show you for now, I'm afraid. Just heading home now.
In the middle of Coolum, 8 years I lived in Coolum, the rest on the hinterland sunny coast. Never seen this, and it just went, oh, and it just dropped. My son's car was outside, and I looked and I went, no. So I grabbed all the big fat blankets, ran like a superwoman, like the hail was hitting me, so I put the blankets over me, covered the car in 3 blankets, and then a horizontal bolt of lightning, like in the middle of this. I thought, get inside, silly woman.
Well, it was a slow, wet trip, but I had a lovely surprise waiting for me when I came home. Nice one. Awesome. Suppose we better have a shave. That's better. Well, a bit of a walk down memory lane. First time to the tavern down the road, probably for 2 years. And for the first time in 3 years, I'm having my old nemesis, Guinness. And I actually don't drink, so it's probably 3 years since I've had a drink. Well, there you go. Yeah. Well, I didn't have breakfast, so time to grab a kebab. Can this ticket in?
From New Guinea. Took some Hollywood bigwig up the Sebek River to get some background footage for his pansy actors. It's lined with gold.
Quiet on set. Flynn!
Yes, sir.
Your ship is sinking.
A burning ship!
The ocean rages.
Hey!
It's brilliant. Where the hell did you find this kid?
Roll camera.
Run! To all! Full speed ahead! Full speed ahead! Like a moth to a flame.
You scumbag.
Ripper of a show you put on today. It'd be a shame to see you depart so soon.
Come on. She cut your throat. Carol.
Gonna make you a star, kid.
Oh, that was pretty cool. Yes, you do get to see me. Probably 5 minutes in total. But anyway, it was good meeting everyone in it. Yeah, quite a bit of the scene. My friend Lena and myself and various other shots, but where's the poster? Good to see the final product. Well, the clouds are still around. It's rained every day, basically, and some storms. Not too bad here. We don't normally get it too bad. When we do, I normally video it anyway. But thanks for joining me and sticking around this long if you have. I'm just about to head down and see my sister. This is the cup that I acquired when Mum died 5 years ago. So, yeah. Don't forget anyway, you can follow me on Instagram at Steve Mac Actor, if you choose. I've never mentioned it before, but it's always in the description. So if you want to see what I get up to, sometimes during videos, you're quite welcome to. I guess it'll rain and storm again. I've got some birds flying around here. Might spin the camera around and show you that. But anyway, look, thanks for staying, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Just off to have some lunch now. And of course, it's rained non-stop ever since.